Top 5 Best PC Cases in 2020. Number 5. Phanteks Evolv X. A much cheaper option from Phanteks than the Evolv Elite, this successor to the excellent Evolv ATX supports not only eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards, but also dual systems, thanks to the optional ITX upgrade kit, though this will also require Phanteks Revolt X PSU. Cable management is top quality, the fan hub design is great, and it can hold a massive 19 drives. Last year's winner of this category is now available for under $200. Coming in number 4. BeQuiet Dark Base Pro 900 Rev 2. The successor to the excellent Dark Base Pro 900, the Rev 2 comes with all the originals features, including the modular interior, Qi wireless charging, capacity for a huge number of drives, and fantastic water cooling support. The new version features a USB 3.1 Type-C Gen 2, a fan controller that supports 8 PWM fans, new plastic drive slot covers, and improved Silent Wings fans. At $269, it's a lot cheaper than many enthusiast class rivals. Coming in number 3. Cooler Master Cosmos C700M. Enthusiast cases usually have several elements in common: they're large, they're incredibly versatile, and they're expensive. Cooler Master's latest version of the Cosmos ticks all those boxes. Following on from the excellent Cosmos 2 and Cosmos 700p, the 700M is huge, heavy, and gorgeous. It features addressable RGB in the form of 2 parallel strips that run from the top panel to the front panel, as well as ambient ARGB lighting on the bottom that reflects against the aluminum bars. You also get a tempered glass side panel with curved edges and a matte finish on the distinctive Cosmos handlebars. The biggest draw for building enthusiasts is the C700M versatility. Its modular layout allows builders to pick a standard, inverted, or a chimney-style motherboard tray, rotating the MOBO 90 degrees. The case also comes with a graphics card mounting bracket and riser cable, allowing users to mount the GPU vertically or horizontally in several positions, and you can even rotate the card up to 90 degrees to better show it off. The C700M is perfect for those who love water cooling, with 2 included brackets that can each support 420mm radiators and mounting locations for water pumps and reservoirs. The cable management design, meanwhile, was inspired by server racks, with plastic strips organizing cables into channels, Velcro strips, and cable covers to keep everything looking clean. With 4 pre-installed fans, up to 9 are supported, 10 drive bays, USB Type-C, and excellent thermal performance, the C700M is a great option for experienced builders. The only problem might be the price, which can range from $450 to $600. Coming in number 2. NZXT H710i. NZXT's latest smart case looks gorgeous and now comes with a faster microprocessor for its CAM software-powered smart device, which utilizes machine learning to find the perfect point between noise and performance for fans. It also controls the integrated RGB lighting. The $170 H710i features 4 120mm fans, USB Type-C, and support for vertically mounted GPUs. But its best feature could be the excellent cable routing, which uses built-in cable channels at the back to keep everything tidy. Coming in number 1. Lian Li O11 Dynamic XL. An update to the O11 Dynamic, this case looks stunning thanks to its removable front and side tempered glass and multiple RGB modes. The XL is more spacious than its predecessor, allowing for larger components while making it an excellent case to work inside. With its modular design, the Dynamic XL offers a huge amount of flexibility for different builds. Highlights include the hot swappable bays, excellent cooling, capacity for up to 10 storage drives, and support for vertical GPU mounting and eATX motherboards. There's also a Razer version so you can synchronize the lighting with the company's peripherals. The only problem might be the $200+ price tag.